Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to use or what is the use of button object or function in QlikView. So basically, we have to see that what will be the use of that button object in QlikView. So this button object is basically available in the new sheet objects over here. So we'll see it one by one. As you can see that I have created this particular bar chart. So with the help of that particular button object, we can hide it also by simply one single click. So how we can do this? So I'll show you the database first. Go to file menu, go to edit script. So I have loaded a database which is nothing but an Excel file from this particular table file. Code is being generated over here. This is nothing but a copy chain sales database. So I'll click on OK. So this was the database. So now if I go over here, right click over here, go to this particular properties, we can see this particular variable. So the variable is nothing but show conditional variable. So for giving this particular, we have to assign a variable. I can go over here. You can see over here that the variable is assigned as broken weeks and the value for this particular variable is given as 1. So the same thing we have to apply in the button on. Now click on OK. Go to this particular main sheet object document. Right click. Go to new sheet object. Go to this particular button object. Now I'll write the text as show. Go to this particular action tab. Click on add. Click on external. Click on set variable. Okay. Go to this particular variable. Go to the variable. Select this. It is by default selected. Click on paste. Okay. Assign the value as 1. Apply. And okay. So this is the show button is created over here. I'll brought it down. Now again do the same procedure. Right click, go to new sheet object, go to button object, give the title as or text as hide, go to action tab, click on add, click on external, set variable. Okay. Then variable which we have assigned, the same variable we have to assign over here. Go to this particular variables, click on paste, and OK. Now we have to assign the value other than 1. So we have to assign it as 0. So 0 will be low and 1 will be high. So it means that if there will be 1, so it is going to show the chart. If there will be 0, it is going to hide that particular chart. Then click on apply and OK. So hide button is also being created over here. So if I click on show, it is going to show me the chart. If I have clicked on hide, so it is going to hide that particular chart. So the chart is being hidden. So it is being applied. Variable is set and it is being applied. I click on show. So the chart again appears. I click on hide. Chart is hidden. I click on show. The chart is available. So I hope we have understood how to use the or what is the use of button object or function. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.